Hazrat Umar bin Khattab radiyallahu anhu in Friday's sermon mentioned Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu and said, I saw in a dream that cook gave me 3 pecks. I think its interpretation is only that I am nearing my death. You should appoint someone as my successor. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will never let his religion, the Sharia and Caliphate of his Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam go to waste if my death captures me earlier. You must select one of these 6 persons with whom Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam remained pleased throughout his life as your caliph. Hazrat Osman, Hazrat Ali, Hazrat Talha, Hazrat Zubair, Hazrat Sa'ad bin Abi Waqas, and Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Auf radiyallahu anhu. He added, I think the people with whom I fought for the cause of Islam will criticize this caliphate. If they do so, they are, however, Allah's foes, led astray and infidels. The precept of Kalala, a man who dies leaving neither parents nor issues, has never got evident to me. About no issue I asked Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam as many questions as I asked about it, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam as well showed strictness in it. And even he sallallahu alaihi wasallam tapping his finger on my chest said, O Umar, haven't the last verse of the chapter Nisa revealed in summer satisfied you? If I remain alive, I will interpret Kalala in such a way as the posterities who have or haven't read the Quran will thereby take the decision about it. O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, holding you a witness, I say, I have appointed governors in the cities, so that they may do justice among the people, teach them religion and Prophet's traditions, apportion booty to them, and consult me in the hereafter they feel problem. O people, you eat of the plants of garlic and onion while I consider them wretched. I remember whosoever's mouth would reek foul smell during Prophet's time, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would command him to quit the mosque and head towards Baqi cemetery. So whosoever wishes to consume them must cook them to remove their offensive smell. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 1258.